Okay, grade 7. Let's go directly to the detail A3 on the page AE 505. Okay, this is it. It's a A3. Okay, this is here. This is the detail. Okay, it's a soffit detail that shows the end of the curtain wall with all these strange drawings that you see here. Looks like an electronic circuit, but they are really aluminum extrusions that there are different separate pieces of aluminum extruded in a tricky way so they can be interlocked or slide in conveniently as you assemble the whole system. This is the glass. These pieces are rubber joints to hold the glass in place, and those are covers because at some point you have screws attaching the system, but this cover here will give it a clean finishing without any screw heads, showing any screw heads. And that's why you see that clean finishing with all these type of aluminum constructions with windows and curtain walls. The curtain wall is attached, is hanging from the structure, but here you have a metal brake to hold this suspended ceiling structure, which also is hanging from this system of channels and head tracks hanging from the structure. So the ceiling is made out of soffit panels. Let's take a look at this. First of all, the instructions that we were talking about. This is what we saw approximately. Is not exactly the same, but it's the same idea of instructions like this. Okay, they work together and produce the result that we expected from the curtain walls. Also, when we assemble these panels, metal panels, this is what we see. This is a soffit made out of metal panels. Now let's go quickly to another section, which is a wall section in the page AE 306. In that page, we have a cloud to this detail here, which is a C2 in the page AE 514. It's to tell us how this roof works here in this portion. Look at, keep in mind that this is still the curtain wall, and here is this piece of roof, how it works. Let's see the things. Okay, here is the detail, C2. Yes, here is the curtain wall that we're talking about. This detail is very informative. Here are all the instructions that go for the curtain walls, but above the curtain wall we have a plate of wood, and on top of this plate of wood we have a plywood, exterior quality plywood, that, and on top of that we have the seam, the lap seam metal roof, which is similar to this. This is a standing seam metal roof, but very similar. Forget about the vertical seams. This one is a different way. It's a lap seams that goes in this direction. Okay, that's what we can say in 5 minutes.